Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering and measuring ingredients precisely. Measure to 1/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon salt. Cream 1 cup, 226 g, unsalted butter at room temperature with 3/4 cup, 150 g, granulated sugar and 3/4 cup, 165 g. Packed brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add 2 large eggs one at a time and 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, scraping the bowl between additions. Finish by weighing or begin mixing by beating the creamed butter and sugars until light and airy. Then add eggs one at a time and stir in 2 teaspoons vanilla. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt, then fold the dry mix into the wet ingredients until just combined to prevent tough cookies. Stir in the 12 ounces, 340 g chocolate chips evenly. Use a cookie scoop to portion about 2 tablespoons or 1 5-inch dough balls and place them 2 inches apart on a parchment-lined baking sheet for even spread. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes, watching so edges turn golden brown while centers remain slightly soft. Remove the tray and allow the cookies to cool on the sheet for 5 minutes so they set. Then transfer each cookie to a wire rack to finish cooling completely for another 15 minutes. To maintain texture, store cooled cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or freeze in a single layer sealed for up to 3 months. Reheat briefly for fresh baked warmth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.